Hello all, welcome to my channel Secret Indian Trader. On today's video, we are going to analyze a stock called Varun Beverages Limited. This particular company is a bottling partner for multiple franchises or big industries. When I started my uh, stock market career, like when I started to buy stocks, this is one among the first renowned stock for me uh, that has been added to my portfolio. So, as a comeback after a month, I wanted to share the stock that I personally had good profits on. So, Varun Beverages Limited has been associated with PepsiCo since 1990s and is a key player in beverages industry and one among the largest franchise of PepsiCo in the world. The company produces and distributes a wide range of carbonated soft drinks, non-carbonated drinks, and packed water sold under trademarks owned by PepsiCo. PepsiCo brands produced and sold by the company include Pepsi, 7 Up, Miranda, Miranda Orange, Mountain Dew, Tropicana juices, and many more. So, some of the key points that has to be noted with Varun Beverages Limited are the company is a part of RJ Group, which is the largest franchise for Pizza Hut, KFC, Cream Bell, and Costa Coffee in India. So, what are all the packages which has been provided uh, in these companies are being controlled by Varun Beverages. So VBL's presence, the company's operations span 6 countries, three in the Indian subcontinent, which is India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, which contributed 85% of its total revenues, and three in Africa, which is mostly in South Africa, Morocco, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, which contributed like 15% of its revenues in the cycle year 2019. It has a robust distribution network. The company's solid and well uh, enhanced distribution network covers urban, semi-urban, and rural markets, addressing demands of wide range of consumers. The company has 32 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India, 6 internationally. It is a, it has a robust supply chain with 90 plus owned depots, 2,500 plus owned vehicles, and 1,500 plus primary distributors, and currently installed 7,75,000 VC coolers, which has been set up in retail locations. So, about the PET recycling, the company uses around 66,000 MT PET resin as packaging material for its finished products annually. It has engaged with the GEM Enviro Management Private Limited for phased implementation of 100% recycling of used PET bottles through collection from end users by placing dustbins, reverse vending machines, direct collections from institution, etc. So they are also making recycling of bottles. This is one of the better option to reduce waste as well as increase the revenue of the company. Strong relationships with PepsiCo. In 2019, VBL concluded the acquisition of franchise rights in South and West regions from PepsiCo for the national bottling, sales, and distribution footprints in 7 states and 5 union territories of India. With these acquisitions, the company has significantly reinforced its partnership with PepsiCo and now account for over 80% of their India's beverages sales volumes from 51% earlier. So this company is like one of the well established one and which has more clients, which is overly spread across India. And as they are in the RJ group and helping Pizza Hut, KFC, Costa Coffee at the moment, as Devyani group has been increased nowadays, like the chain of restaurants via Devyani group has been increased. We can also hope that this particular company will raise its value by utilizing that particular company as their client. Varun Beverage Limited has a market cap of 36,780 crore and the current market price is 849 rupees. ROCE is 10.7 percentage. Return on equity is 11.2 percentage, and debt to equity is 0.44, which is comparatively less. So we can able to this creates a positive impression on the about the company. And some of the pros are the company has reduced its debt, and the company is expected to give a good quarter at this moment. The company has delivered good profit growth of 30.02 CAGR over last 5 years. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout, which is one of the important, and the dividend payout is approximately 17.64 percentage. Some of the negatives about the company are the company, the current trading price is 9.28 times its book value, and the promoter holding has decreased over last quarter, which is minus 0.93 percentage. Approximately 1 percentage of the value was being decreased by the promoter. When we see the net profit above the company, let's take for last 3 years. Uh, let's say from 2018 December, the company had a net profit of minus 72, which was a loss, and then the profit got increased on each quarters, on each year's fiscal years. So approximately in June 2019, the company had a profit of 407 crores as a net profit, and then in June 2020 the company had reported 141 crores, and in June 2021 the company has reported 308 crores as net profit. For September 2021 quarter, the company has reported is being expected to report approximately 240 crores of net profit. So which is comparatively a positive side about this company. Um, so let's get into the technical analysis about the company. As the financial background is strong, let's get into technical and let's check for any entry positions about this particular stock. So at the moment, the current market price is 849.35 rupees. I'm having monthly time frame about this chart. So let's try to draw a Fibonacci retracement analysis in the monthly time frame so that we can see what is happening at the moment. So at the moment the market is on correction, so we can expect a downward move for this month. I'm taking Fibonacci retracement from this point because the recent lower low is this. So if you can see, we are having a proper rejection in 0.236 percentage. So first thing, let's mark a region which can act as a support for us. So as a short term entry position, this place can act as a short term entry position. So let's check for the macro picture, I mean the weekly analysis. Let's try to draw a support and resistance. Okay, so I can see two lines over here, sorry, two support places, support regions. Let's draw them both. If you can see this 0.38 82 percentage. This also acts as a good support region. There was a gap up for this week, and there was a huge number of sellers in this particular week. The volume traded on this particular week was high. People booked profit, and there were huge sellers. So what we can expect on the following weeks, the stock price can able to retest at this region, or if the market is super low and there is an impact of next COVID wave, then we can expect the stock to retest this particular support line. So once the stock retests this particular support lines, there will be a retracement, and the trend continues. Let's get into the daily analysis. If you can see, there was a trend, a downward trend for this stock, and on this last trading day, I can see a huge more number of buyers on this stock, who's trying to add more stocks in their portfolio. So this is one of the positive sign about this stock. So this could be this could be a positive sign that we can able to take up a trade or add some stocks to our portfolio at this particular level or region, and have a proper target and a stop loss. If we are holding for a short term, please make sure that you hold it with a stop loss, and if you are holding for a long term, you book profit uh, after you get a proper return. So do not get panicked if there is any volatility in this value. So guys, this is what I wanted to share about Varun Beverages Limited. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Bye bye.